the Beyblade video, let's look at the back. Let's open it. First, let's look at the spline. Then, let's look at the stickers and the parts and the launcher. Let's look at more parts. Then let's now open it. Now put these parts together. And then insert and then turn to lock. And then let's now get out the spline and the shooter. Then I'll show you what is in here. And then let's now put stickers. Then it's done. And then let's now insert the spline to the launcher. Now launch it. Then I will show you how to disconnect it. As you can see at the top part, this spins it, then it's already disconnected. You can interchange the metal and the plastic, and then it becomes like this. And then that's it. Please subscribe and like this video. I will make tons of videos for you.